Hi there, artist! Welcome back to Draw with Michelle. Today we're going back to basics and learning how to set up your first canvas in Procreate's gallery. Whether you are brand new or just need a quick refresher, this guide will set you up for success. Let's jump in. When you open Procreate, this is what you see in the gallery. It's like your personal art collection, where every project you create is sorted. You can organize, duplicate, or share your works right from here. Think of it as your creative hub. At the top, you will see buttons like Select, Import, and Photo. These let you manage your files, bringing in external images, or start projects from your photos. But for now, let's focus on creating your first canvas. To start creating, type this plus icon in the top right corner. You will see a list of preset canvas size, like screen size, square, and more. These are great for different types of projects, like social media posts or wallpapers. If none of the presets works for you, tap New Canvas to customize it. In this menu, you can set your canvas dimensions like width and height. For digital projects, I recommend working in pixels. But for print, inches might be more useful. The DPI, or dots per inch, determines the resolution of your work. If you are creating something for print, 300 DPI is ideal for sharp details. For digital projects, 72 DPI is sufficient and keeps the file size smaller. You will also need to choose a color profile. Most of the time, sRGB works perfectly for digital use. But if you're creating for professional printing, you might want to explore CMYK. Here's something important to note. The size and DPI of your canvas determine how many layers you can use. If you need more layers, you can reduce the DPI or make the canvas smaller. Once your canvas is saved, it will appear in your gallery. To keep this organized, you can group similar projects into stacks by dragging one artwork on top of another. You can also rename the stacks to keep track of themes or projects. Want to share your artwork? Swipe your canvas to the left in the gallery. Tap Share and choose your format. If you're uploading your art online, PNG is great for maintaining quality. JPEG is a good choice if you want smaller file sizes. And if you are collaborating with other designers or printing your work, exporting as a PSD file is super helpful. And there you have it, everything you need to know to set up your first canvas and get started in Procreate. Remember, your gallery is your creative background, so keep it organized and fun. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Procreate tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you next time!